guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. So today I have created this look for Eid. I am so sorry मैं पहले वीडियो अपलोड नहीं कर पाई, but better late than never. And I really hope that you guys like it. बहुत ही easy है, बहुत ही simple है, yet मुझे लगता है काफ़ी glam लगता है. And ये dark lip is just too stunning. तो जो भी ईद सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं उन सभी को ईद मुबारक. आई होप कि आप सभी की ईद बहुत बहुत अच्छी जाए. And wishing you loads and loads of happiness and prosperity. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to prime my skin first and I'm going to go in with my SMASHBOX Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. ये मुझे sample के तौर पे मिला था. So I'm going to use this today. I'm going to apply it all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with one more primer. Let's see. So this is our primer. Smells citrusy. And please excuse my nails क्योंकि मैंने खुद से जो acrylic gel nails थे वो मैंने खुद से निकाले. So मेरे हाथों का condition अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब है. And I always do manicure, लेकिन मैं वो नहीं कर पाई इस बार because अभी जो चल रहा है उसके वजह से. And now I'm going to go in with my ELF matte putty primer and I'm going to apply this primer on these areas. बस थोड़ा सा ही लेना है. Now let's apply the foundation. So for foundation today I'm going to go in with something really full coverage and I'm applying today my Huda Beauty's 4 filter foundation. ये actually अभी discontinue हो चुका है लेकिन मेरे पास है, so obviously मैं इसे use करने वाली हूँ. इसका भी नया version आया है जो reformulate किया है. I really love the coverage of this foundation. Yeah guys, I am filming after a month. Like last I think मैंने film किया था I think 3rd April or something like this. I am filming after a month, so This foundation is pretty matte, so it's always better to use a primer that is hydrating. For my concealer today I am applying Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 34S Medium Sand. Now that my concealer is nicely blended, I am going to set my concealer with like my under eyes, okay, with Maybelline's Fit Me Loose powder. This one is in the shade 20 Light Medium. Love how my skin looks smooth with this powder. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with KAYBEAUTY's Matte Compact. This one is in the shade 130N Medium. Really nice compact. It's very lightweight, finely milled powder. And if you have textured skin, then you might want to try this powder, guys. So I feel like bronzing today and I'm going to go in with my Benefit's HOOLA bronzer. And for my blusher today I'm going to go in with KAYBEAUTY's matte blush in the shade Dusty Rose. I'm just going to pull it a little inwards. So let's apply the highlighter now. So today I'm going to apply Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. It's in a very bad condition. Usually I take the highlighter up till here, which I'm not going to do today. A little bit on my Cupid's bow. So I'll just quickly fill in my brows, complete one side of my eye makeup, and I'll see you guys very soon. So today's eye makeup is really simple and anyone can do this, believe me. And मैंने अपना AC on किया है, तो please अगर AC का आवाज़ आ रहा होगा तो then please try to ignore that sound because बहुत गर्मी हो रही थी इसलिए मुझे AC on करना पड़ा. So I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. So let's get started now. So first I'm going to apply BOLLYGLOW's Idle Eyes shadow liner. This one is in the shade Haute Chocolate. Now I'm just going to blend this. It's really easy to work with this product and it stays put. It is budge proof, it just won't move. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ColourPop's, this one is Double Entendre eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this shadow which is called Hot Board, I don't know, this one. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow in my crease. I like to do these kind of looks because itna easy hota and super quick to achieve. And now again I'm taking this palette and इसमें ये जो shadow है, which is I think called Nip Slip, which is this one. So I'm going to take this shadow on this fluffy brush and I'm just going to soften the edges. I'm going to fill in my waterline with NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On pencil in the shade Jewel. If you want, आप black कोल भी apply कर सकते हो. तो अभी mascara apply करते हैं. So I'm going to coat my upper lashes with my favorite L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And I'm going to coat my lower lashes with MAC's Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. Now if you guys want, you can just leave your eye makeup like this only. आपको false eyelashes अगर apply नहीं करने हैं तो you can skip that part. लेकिन मैं false eyelashes apply करने वाली, so I'm just going to quickly apply my falsies and I'll be right back. So I'm wearing PAC's eyelashes in number 53 if you guys are wondering. I love these eyelashes. They're extremely comfortable and they look really nice. So for my lipstick today, I want to go in with a dark lip color. If you want, you can obviously go in with a really nice subtle nude lipstick, but today I want to wear a dark lip. I'm going to go in with Faces Canada No Transfer Matte lipstick. This one is in the shade Karma.Audionautix. I absolutely love this shade. It is one of my favorites from the range. Last but not least, I'm going to spray some 4-3 Beauty's Glisten Up Illuminating Mist.